science operation nowadays, money. And then now on top of it now, quantum would also play a very significant role. So how do you see, at one hand, this is data operations basically, right? And there is ability. I mean, for example, some like Cisco or Microsoft, they have installation all across globe, and that throws data, and then they try to process at a planetary level data, and then try to understand the possible issue gap in that basically, right? This is one hand. On the other hand, we also see the way the quantum computing will be changing the scenario. So from the AI, ML and quantum capability coming together, how things will change for security?
Well, I think, it's going to drastically change the way we have current things, particularly in a security aspect. When quantum is going to be having, in its, the way we are seeing it now, the way it really becomes something which is more in use. So obviously before that happens, security is one thing which is going to get a phenomenal change. And we have seen that, right? When we see a few years back, there was this, people were talking about how to, crack the SHA algorithm, right? The earlier ones,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And once quantum comes into play, all of this will really go away, and we'll have new set of algorithms to come in which are more capable of really providing about the security piece. So and there is a lot of research right now going on. India is one of the leaders in that space, both in academia as well as industry. Also, we see a lot of momentum in that space already happening. And yes, along with AI, this is really going to be I think a major game changer, because AI is really going to sit on top of all of this as we go further, helping both industry as well as, I think, academia also, the way they do the research in terms of putting all of these pieces together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So coming to Hasid, so your role is to bring all that together to deliver to value to the client, and the clients, especially the security market ecosystem, is quite significantly